Uh, welcome back to this channel. You can name whatever you want for this channel. I don't know what to give for that. And yeah, particularly what I want to say is like when I came into the charts when I was seeing, I had an SMT at this highs with ES. Like in ES, the highs were took some around in today maybe what at the time 4 o'clock, but in ES and NQ, the highs were not swept like the previous day highs. Okay, still not swept. And top of that, see what should we want to ask ourselves as a question? We just want to ask whether the daily candle support expansion or not. Like if I came into YM, I didn't even have a clarity about the small week. Like see, these are the small week I had in a YM. Like this much is the size of the week. Okay, and in Nasdaq I have a small week in where is that? At a small week in lows. So which one should I trust? Which one should I trust to trade higher for priority? Like for the small week in Nasdaq, should I trade as a higher or else the small week in YM at the highs to trade as a lower? I don't know what to trade. Okay, like I am a bit confused about this. And keep everything aside and think about only a logic. What does this daily candle telling to us? It's a reversal candle, right? It's a reversal candle, and the one pattern we should always must follow is to the wick size. Measure the wick size with the premium discount. The full day. See these two stage ties and these two stage ties. What does this telling to us? It's literally expanded. Nasdaq it's literally expanded towards those highs and gave an SMT to retracement back into some other key levels, and we had an a strength switch right here and we expanded right here. So let us coming to the point. What I saw on the what I saw for the shots, these shots particularly. Let's see. Before that, I want to tell you clearly this is the thing we should always follow. Like we should always expand it and we want to deep dive into retracement and we expanding higher. This is a reversal candle right there. Like before us yesterday. This is a reversal candle. And top of that this is an PSP, right? PSP. Daily PSP. This is a daily PSP and it's a weaker asset, and it's a in a daily PSP it's a stronger asset compared to Nasdaq. We had an asset at highs. Okay, this short for the reason for the shorts. Like this is 18. Okay, this previous day highs, the shorts reason. I had a two stage like consecutive, not it's a consecutive candle. See, not it's a one stage right here. Candle SMT one stage again in YM as well in one stage. Even this is SMT. Okay. Now I had another stage with a consecutive candle like 22's highs were swept on Nasdaq and in YM it didn't swept. See 22's high swept right there. When I came into the market, this is the time like maybe 8, 8:15, 8:30. I don't think so. Now, which one is a stronger asset? We should give a premium discount from these lows to these highs. From these lows to these highs. See, which one is which one is the asset is very lower in the range, like top in a premium. This time what? 8. It's in a premium. 8. It's almost in the EQ. I had a two stage right here. See, uh, 7 a.m. candle super at 7:30 and then super at 8. 7 a.m. candle soup didn't soup at 7:30 and soup at 8. Okay. Once I saw this two stage, I went to 3 minutes in Nasdaq because it gives me this candle closure like this. I aim to daily open. Daily open is my draw because I had a SMTs at external and I targeting this one as internal range liquidities like this fair value gap, probably this fair value gap. See this fair value gap right here, and my draw was literally 18 open. So I targeted right here with a 3 minutes. You can see up to here one thing at the time of the shots while I'm entering into here. See here, notice this thing. This is a deeper in a range, like it came to a discount, right? And it makes SMT with the bullish close at 8:45. See here, 8:45 SMT with the bearish close. It gives somewhat the power to get into a retracement, and it's a kind of a strength switch. It's a kind of a strength switch always. But this SMT is supporting us to trade lower to what? 18 open. Watch 18 open. And once we reach the 18 to open, like 18 open, this is the lower in the range and YM is the least in the range, like in a discount in the range. Okay, now we got an SMT for this candle. See, 9 9:50 9:30 expander lower for manipulation, and 9:30 candle swoops 9:45. These candle swoops with the bearish, and we got on a fucking strength switch right here. 9:30 to 9:45. See, this is a lower in the range, right? Like YM is a lower in the range, deeper in a discount, and we got on a 15-minute bullish close PSP, and in Nasdaq we got on a 15-minute bearish close PSP. But the thing how the fucking system works, see why this is consolidating right here. We know the reason? No. But maybe what's the reason? I think YM doesn't even support expansion. Have you look at here? YM doesn't even support expansion because it has a larger big towards downside. What you guys were thinking? You are thinking about like once the candle will open and come down and make some sort of retracement and will go all the way up. No, it won't happen. So what we got an SMT, like some SMTs at a key level, some deeper range some deeper range. See, this is telling us, this can telling us a fast SSD towards high and a low SSD towards low, and is recovering slow from it. It won't expand higher. It will range until the 18 next day will forms. Okay, so I I don't know about these shitty things before that. Like before I'm recording this video to you, but I noticed the thing right there, and I I entered right here. Where should I enter? Like 3 minutes right here. Yeah, I waited for this candle to get 6Ds, and I enter right here. My SL will be here, and I aim for 2 hours. Probably the size. I aimed for the size right here, but anyway, I got 2 hours. But in years, it's probably a good trade. If I enter right here in the Saints, my SL will be here, and towards this size I got 2R, and now it's going upon 3.5R, somewhat like that. See, see how respecting 3 is that 345. See, this is a real strength which right here. A candle swoops closes with a bullish close. A candle swoops closes with a bearish close. A candle doesn't swoops closes with a bullish close. These NQ and YM is not the strength switching. This fucking as a TS is a strength switching. See, candle swoops and it's a closing as a bullish close. We should enter with these candle. See, one point we should take away from today's lesson. We had a decent wick right here and upper half of the daily candle in here, so it supports expansion towards high, and in Nasdaq the same. We were in a EQ, it supports expansion because we were now deeper in the range to form a wick like a YM like this. YM doesn't support expansion because it has a larger wick. So this is a thing we gonna study today. We read a study today. We did that in RTY the same condition. See, where is 80? This is 18 right here. It's consolidation, and gets down, going up. It's some city price action in RTY as well. This is the thing we want to study for how in which asset we should trade. Like imagine right here what the face of price is telling us to do. We should expand higher. So we wait for a couple of move to happen in a range of some sort of a APD sequence, and we got these. What 10 a.m. 4 are telling us? It's small week. Nasdaq. It's a sum of decent week in OM. It's pretty small week in what? US. So study these guys. Go and study these as well. It will help you a lot to frame a trade of only one side. Like, don't care about the fucking paralyzing analysis paralysis. Just focus on either one side of the trade. Like frame one side, only one side of it. Just what the fucking face of price telling us to do. Expansion met with an expansion, again we will expansion. Now either in this space we will consolidate, or else we should retrace back and to get higher. Either we should like it's in a deep range retracement, but anyway it will goes higher with the strength which once the draw met on the Nasdaq. I am probably thinking this will get up to these highs with the ideal sequence of strength switching somewhere at close, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. Like this is the thing I wanna share you with you. Like this is the thing I took these trades as well. uh like I before I got here B. I got here B. Probably I'm saying a truth. I'm just saying a truth. See, I entered right here in this candle. It came down and it went up. I got a B right here, and I didn't enter right here again, and I waited and I took this trade as well. I entered this trade in 1 minute. See, this is my RR. I trade this. I traded this in 1 minute. I got a B here and I didn't took this trade to daily open, but I still waited and I took this continuation setup as well. See, this is a continuation. I had a SMT right, even though I had a small range. Why I see before I took this trade, why am I got loss again? Like it stands with right here, and I entered in a random swing highs or lows. Wait, let me show you that as well. Yeah, I entered right fucking here. Seriously, I'm saying I entered not there. Here, I entered here. My stops were at these lows, and my I targeted this. I got the souped out, and again I got a fucking strength switch at lows to get these longs. See, there I got 45 to 11, 45 to 11, 45 to 11. See, this is the strength which I got. Not even this 45 to 11. Even this is the reason I took. Like I'm seeing in. This is the trick. 15 to 30. 15 to 30. I got the 15 to 30 as a strength switch. Like continuation sequence. 15 to 30. See. 15, 30. SMT. 15 to 30 SMT at lows. 15 to 30 SMT at lows. So once I got this 15 to 30 SMT at lows, I went to 3 minutes. Right here. Once this closes as the seized, I entered right here, and my stops were at SM close. This is the trade I took in continuation sequence. But this was the lesson, like expansion met with an expansion, retracement again expansion, expansion met with an expansion, consolidation, deep retracement again meeting with an expansion towards those highs which we catched up in a Nasdaq as well. The one thing, small week support expansion, large week doesn't, like the YM. Just imagine this. If I were like if I come to the charts before 9:30, I took these lows, this like this trade as well, two lows to get manipulating somewhat. But this is the original trade we want to took. We want to see ahead of that. Yeah, that's it. And somewhat in a gold, like it's pretty fucking terrible today. It looks really terrible today. Like, see this. What's this price action telling us? Expansion, but with an expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, deep retracement, and got the range low. Again expansion, somewhat again tracing. Want to expand higher. Yeah, we should see gold as some sort of a strength which happening going to happen right here and towards the size like this. I'm expecting like this. Yeah, we'll see what enough for our what doesn't get highs here. Like yeah, it's pretty annoying today. I don't know why it's happening in a gold. Yeah, Bye guys, until I'll meet you next video.